My name is Tori. I have a sister. She has a what stands for.
Septo-optic dysplasia.
I'm on a mission, and so's my mother, to spread the word and raise recognition for this brain condition. So, this is Ariel. Say hi, Ariel. Her condition is septo-optic dysplasia.
Slow down.
Septo-optic dysplasia. She cannot go in the sunlight. So we keep her in here, cozy and warm, and we play with her. We basically say she's a vampire because she can't go in the sunlight. So what I do is tonight we're going to go out for an Easter egg hunt.
In the dark, darling.
In the dark, so spooky. So thank you for watching this great video, and
help us spread the word.
Please.
We love you all. Thank you for everything you do. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ariel. Don't yell. Say bye, Air. Say love you.
Love you guys. Love you guys.
Kisses. Blow kisses. And that's my goose.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.